Hey guys, today's a beautiful Sunday here in Floral Park, and we are here for the Floral Escape. Behind me, there's this one here, and then we have the one we just came from. We have all these other ones behind you. You can even color coordinate with. A lot of people are here doing just that. You're seeing influencers walking around, photographers, models, and your regular families. Their kids are having a great time. Everybody is social distancing. As you can see, there's no one immediately around us. So everybody's doing a really good job at keeping their distance. I would only advise that you make sure you bring hand sanitizer because people are touching things. So you want to be safe. You want to take precautions and bring your hand sanitizer. It's actually not hard to get here. It's right off the Cross Island Expressway, right here in Queens. You guys can come and check this out. This is really cool, guys. It's on a farm and there's hay everywhere. And they have a hay ride. And on the other side of the farm, they have other activities. So you guys can check that out too. There are greenhouses. There's even this little tractor that you can sit on that's dressed up with flowers as well. This is really, really pretty.
Hi everyone.
I love it. TashaDwhaj here with Concierge Questionnaire, and you are here in Floral Park.